I tested an app to see if it could flip better than me. I've tested a new app for flippers that not only tells you how much items resell for online, it tells you if it's worth it, your profit margin, recommends you what to do and what not to do to boost its resale value. We're gonna look at that app in a second, but first I want to show you what I bought with it. I will be honest, the app had told me that it wasn't worth buying it, but because I didn't want to lose any money trusting an app, I bought it anyways. So I bought this $10 set of worthless Waterford Magnums. If you see those online, please do not buy them. Yes, of course, people sell them for really cheap on Marketplace and eBay, but you will never be able to resell them. At least that's what I think. The app might tell me something else. So let's take a look at it. We're gonna follow everything this app tells me to do, and we're gonna see if it's right. First, I have to say what I absolutely love is that it doesn't only tell you the resale value of your item, it actually tells you if it's worth it or not, the estimated time you'll need to spend on it, the estimated profit margin, and the hourly wage it gives you. What's crazy is that it's specific to you. It doesn't tell you how much this set would resell on eBay in the UK. It uses the 3 first characters of your postal code and tells you how much it sells in your area. It also tells you what you can do with your specific set of skills and what you shouldn't do because it doesn't add any value to your item. So for now, I think this app is absolutely crazy. If this works, I can evaluate hundreds of ads every day instead of doing it manually every night. There's only one thing left to do. Let's test it and get to work. The app is telling me it's not worth shining these clubs. Shining them will increase their resale value, but will decrease my hourly wage. And because in my profile, initially I put in that my minimum hourly wage was $50 an hour, it tells me I should not shine it. I'm still gonna shine them. Let's head to the shining check. I came back from the Shining Shack without having shined my clubs. I am absolutely mind blown that this app was right. Just polishing them does not give them any more shine. I would have had to remove the scratches and dents, but these are obviously not worth it. I would have spent 30 to 45 minutes removing the scratches, and then I would have been able to polish them, to mirror shine them. So I came back without finishing the job. I am just gonna listen to what the app said. It just said to clean it and to take better pictures than their previous seller. So let's start over. Well, I should have listened from the beginning. Apart from the 10 minutes that I wasted in the Shining Shack, I spent 15 minutes cleaning that set. I will post it at $60 like the app recommends, but I am 110% sure it's not gonna go for that price. It does say though to accept any offer over $35, which I think is reasonable. I think this set will go for around $30. If you want to try the app I'm talking about, it's called FlipLab. There's a free trial. I'll leave the link below. You can try it for free, so you got nothing to lose. Until next time, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see for how much these clubs are going to go for, and I will see you very soon. See you next time.